Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all staying home and staying safe and that you are all well. Today I am going to be filming a skincare related video. It kind of feels a little bit strange to be filming skincare and beauty videos in light of what's going on at the moment with the current situation, but for me personally, I just want to try and keep my channel for the most part positive. I want to try and keep my content as more of an escape from what's going on. I want to try and help people to stay positive, and the best way for me to be able to do that is to continue to create content that I usually would. Today's video is going to be a review of some products that I was recently sent from a brand called WildMint Cosmetics. As you guys might know, if you have been following my channel for some time, I am a big lover of skincare. I'm really passionate about featuring brands on my channel that are ethical and that do good things for the environment. As you might know if you have been watching my one brand facial series, links above my head right now in a card if you'd like to go and watch some of those videos that I've done already. But today's video is going to be a review of a few products that I was sent from WildMint Cosmetics and just talking you through them and how I've been finding them. I also just want to throw out a quick disclaimer. This video is not sponsored by WildMint Cosmetics, but they did send me some products for free to review on my channel, just so you guys are aware, just so I'm being transparent with you all. Also, if you are new to this channel and you like what you see and you would like to support me and you would like to stay up to date with my content that I make, do be sure to click that subscribe button and also be sure to click that notification bell down below so that you receive updates when I post new videos. So for those of you who have never heard of the brand WildMint Cosmetics, WildMint is a UK based skincare brand. They make products that are cruelty free and vegan friendly and that are also toxin free, and they make their skincare products with ingredients like goji berries, oat silk, marula oil and apricot oil, and they actually work with a women's environmental charity where they plant trees to help the environment, and so far they have planted 2,438 trees. Now in terms of the price, this brand does kind of sit in the mid-range category. It's around the £18 to £25 mark. And another thing, I do have a discount code for you guys to use, which I will be sharing with you at the end of this video. WildMint reached out to me and asked if they could send me their Glow-Booster Kit for me to try and review on this channel. So it comes in this lovely little canvas bag with the words WildMint on there, and it contains 4 products. The kit retails for £85, although it is currently on offer for £69.99. The first product in this kit that you would use is their Goji Glow AK and Goji Berry Superfood Scrub. A 100ml tub like this retails for £18 on its own. This scrub is made with AK extract, Goji Berry, beige clay, apricot oil, coconut oil and oat silk. Now this is what the scrub looks like. The scrub is very thick and the actual exfoliation beads that are in it are very, very gritty and very dense. So if you're a fan of very gritty facial scrubs and you really like to get in there and properly thoroughly cleanse the skin, and you want something that's going to get in there and it's going to be a bit more heavy duty and it's going to really exfoliate the skin, then this is definitely up your alley. I use a very, very small amount and I rub it gently onto my skin after I have cleansed it. I don't recommend putting too much force with this product on. I don't recommend using too much or going too hard because it is very, very gritty, and I find that if I go too hard with this it can make my skin a little bit red afterwards. But if I'm quite gentle with it and if I only use it a couple of times a week, I do really notice a difference. Now since using this, I've really noticed that my skin's smoothed out. It feels a lot more fresher, it feels a lot more even. Products seem to just apply and absorb better into the skin after I use this. I tend to use it when my skin feels more congested, when I've got more dry skin or blackheads, or when I want to use a clay-based mask afterwards and I just want a scrub to really get in there, detox the skin, buff away any dead skin cells and just really give me that clean feeling skin. But I have sensitivity to my skin. I've got combination skin and I use this a couple of times a week and I find that my skin responds to it really well. Another thing I will add about this product is that it has the most delicious smell. It smells a lot like the Comforter Bubble Bar from Lush. So if you're a fan of the Comforter scent, this is definitely something to try. Not gonna lie, this is actually one of my favourite things from this kit that I've been trying. I really like this, and it's one of the products out of this kit that I would actually go and repurchase again because I like it that much. So the next step of this Glow Booster Kit is their Citrus Splash Purifying Antioxidant Toner. Now this toner is a 150ml bottle in size. It's a spray bottle, and this retails for £20 on its own. This contains rose flower water, oat silk, aloe vera, vitamin C and rose essential oil. Now I like this for a few reasons. The first reason I like this is because I like the fact it's a spray bottle as opposed to just being like a pump or one that you pour onto a cotton pad. I actually find spray toners a lot more convenient because you can control how much you want to use. You can almost use it as a facial spritz throughout the day. So when your skin feels a little bit red or hot or irritated, or you just want something to really soothe the skin, you can just spritz your skin with this. I love the fact it's got rose water in there and aloe vera because my skin tends to get really red and irritated quite easily. So the fact that there's some rose water and aloe in there to help that is a really nice thing for me. It just has the most gorgeous smell. Like, I'm going to spray it now. You can definitely smell the rose in there. It has a very floral rosy scent. Whenever I use this, I'm always surprised at how much it really eliminates redness, and it actually helps to combat any redness or sensitivity. I spritz it all over my skin. I leave it on for a few seconds and then I take off any excess with a cotton pad, and I almost leave it like a treatment. And the other thing about toners is that people always think they're an extra step in your cleansing routine, but the thing is, if you've cleansed your skin thoroughly enough, they shouldn't be taking away any excess impurities. They should be there more as a treatment step in your skincare routine. Really impressed with that. It's a lovely product. It's got some lovely ingredients in there, and the scent is really beautiful as well. So this was another product that I was very pleasantly surprised with. The next step in this kit is their Youth Boost Multivitamin Refining Serum. A 50ml bottle retails for £25. So this contains grapefruit essential oil, orange essential oil, ylang ylang essential oil, carrot infusion, hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Now I like this because all of the ingredients that it has in this are key ingredients for your skincare routine. It's got everything you need in there. It's got the vitamin C based ingredients like the grapefruit and the orange, which are really important for the skin. The skin needs vitamin C. It's vital for your skin's health and it should be in your skincare regime. But also the hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a wonder for the skin. It should be another key ingredient of your skincare routine. Any skin type can use it. It's really deeply hydrating for the skin without being too dense. Now this has a really lovely formula to it. So it's very lightweight. It's almost got a liquid based texture to it, but even though it is very lightweight, it does really pack a punch. It smooths the skin, it really hydrates the skin. The skin feels so smooth and just fresh after I've used this, and any products that I put on afterwards really do absorb well into the skin. It's just got the most lovely formula to it. I was just so surprised at how smooth it made my skin feel afterwards. It really wakens my skin up, it makes it feel more fresh, it gives it a nice little perk up in the morning. I will say that this is one of my favourite things that I've tried from this whole range, and I'm really thoroughly impressed with this. And I've got so many serums, and I'm going to be entirely honest with you, completely honest, I've never found one that I like as much as I like this one, so this is an absolute win for me. The final step in this skincare kit is the Glow to Bed Glow Boosting Botanical Overnight Cream. A 50ml tube retails for £23. It has argan oil, green tea, apricot oil, lavender, hyaluronic acid and coconut oil. It's got a very light texture to it and it feels very smoothing on the skin, and it really absorbs very quickly. So if you have combination skin or oily skin, or your skin is more prone to getting congested and you don't want to use anything that's going to be too rich or too dense on the skin, I would definitely recommend trying this one because it's got some lovely moisturising ingredients in there, but yet it's still really lightweight. I personally tend to use this on my skin when my skin feels more congested, when I'm getting more blackheads or when I'm getting blemishes, particularly around the time of the month when my skin's a bit more prone to getting hormonal breakouts. It feels really comfortable on the skin, it sinks into the skin, my skin feels so smooth afterwards, it doesn't leave too much of a residue or like an oily feeling afterwards, and it's just a really nice, well formulated moisturiser that I think that quite a lot of different skin types could use and could benefit from. Now all in all, what I would say about these products is that my skin has really felt more fresher and more smoother. I have noticed a difference in the texture of my skin straight away. I have noticed my skin feels more even, more smoother, more softer. I have noticed that my skin looks more fresher and more perkier, and I have a lot of problems with having really tired looking skin. It's one of the banes of my existence, and I have particularly noticed that since using these products, my skin looks more fresher and it looks more awake. If you want to try a skincare range that's going to make your skin look and feel more fresher, and you just want some really nice products that are just going to help to just liven your skin up a bit and to perk your skin up, then I would definitely recommend trying these products out, because I can honestly say I've been so impressed by this range and I've really enjoyed discovering what this brand has to offer. As promised, I do have a discount code for you guys to use if you would like to get 20% off your order. If you would like to get 20% off your order, simply use the code Emily20 at checkout to get 20% off of WildMint Cosmetics. I'll leave all the information and links down below if you are interested. So there you have it. That is my review of WildMint Cosmetics. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments, have you tried this brand before? Are you intrigued to try this brand because of my video? What other brands do you think I should look into and explore and possibly do videos on in the future? Let me know. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys, and stay safe.